gonna show you first the shortcut that I set, and then I'm gonna redo it so you can see how I did it. Okay, so essentially it's asking for the inputs and then storing the inputs in a variable so later they can be sent to the make webhook and like also store store send those variables with the inputs like this. Okay, I'm gonna set it again so you can see. So first you're gonna ask for inputs. You're gonna set it, for example, for the first one is workout. So that's what's going to ask you first. And then you're gonna set the variable of what you put in that input, and you're gonna store it with the same name, and you already put set one save. This you're gonna do this for all the columns that you have in your Notion database. Let me do it again. For example, if it's calories, then you have to change it for number, calories, and then again store the variable and call it the same. I don't know if I can send you the shortcode already, but I will check. After you do that with the all the columns, the same, it's the same for every column. Here you're gonna paste the webhook link that is going to appear in the custom webhook model. And then you're gonna set a model for get the content of URL that you paste here. You're gonna set the method to post because you're gonna send data to that webhook. This is all okay. Then you're gonna add, for example, we're gonna add the key workout because that's one of the data types, one of the data columns, and here you're gonna set that it sends the variable that you store that value that you set in the shortcut. The same here if it's a number, for example, in calories or in duration or in steps, you set it to numbers. Here would be calories. So it's time to write it as it shows. And here you're gonna do the same. You're gonna select the verb calories, and that's how that data is gonna be sent to that web. And yeah, you rename it as what you want. This is a test. So in this case, what you would do is go to make, add the custom webhooks model, this one. I already had it set, but just to show you. And then add your database where you want to store that information that you want to send for the Apple shortcode. In this case, Notion, but you could use a Google Sheet or any table, any platform. And it would be this one, create a database setting. Supposing that you're sending it to a database. And then, the rest is just getting this webhook and paste it in the Apple shortcut and mapping the data, for the columns. Workload duration, in this case, is a workload database, so yeah, and setting your connection with Make, and that will be all, and it will work